What's going on, people? We out here. Oh yeah! Fuck yeah, hell traction! On the bike. Just want to start off this vid by letting y'all know we hit 900 subscribers, man. Hell yeah! Woo! We're on our way to 1,000. So when we hit that 1,000, I'm gonna do a giveaway. Probably like a pair of goggles or some gloves or something like that, you know what I mean? Not sure yet, but it'll be something like that, like gloves and goggles and a Nick Dog sticker, or just some goggles and a Nick Dog sticker. Something like that. So make sure you smash this like button and subscribe and share this video. We gotta get to 1,000. Let's do it. Alright guys, let's get out here. Whoa, we got sideways on that one, boys. The grass, gotta remember, it's still a little damp out. We've had some rain. We had some rain and all that. You know what I mean? So you gotta be careful. You gotta be careful. Everybody thought this place was gonna be closed. As soon as I got here, they were opening the gate. I was like, hell yeah, bruh! That's what's up. Open up the lower fields so Nick Dog could rip. Been freaking sick, dude, the past 2 weeks. Yesterday I was feeling like crap. I said, freak it, go to bed early, get some sleep. Wake up today, still feel a little sick, but what's better medicine than just twist and grip, dude? You know what I mean? Yeah, ain't no better medicine. She's hooking. Oh shit. Oh. They're pulling a wheelie all the way up that for a minute. Oh shit. That was a bit of a drop off. Gotta back it down, man. We're going balls out. We haven't been on the freaking trails for a while. Whoa, we got sideways on that one, boys. The grass, gotta remember, it's still a little damp out. We've had some rain. We had some rain and all that. what I mean? So you gotta be careful. Gotta be careful. Everybody thought this place was gonna be closed. As soon as I got here, they were opening the gate. I was like, hell yeah, bruh. That's what's up. Open up the lower fields so Nick Dog could rip. Been freaking sick, dude, the past 2 weeks. Yesterday I was feeling like crap. I said, freak it, go to bed early, get some sleep. Wake up today, still feel a little sick, but what's better medicine than just twist and grip, dude? You know what I mean? Yee, ain't no better medicine. She's hooking. Oh shit. Oh. They're pulling a wheelie all the way up that for a minute. Oh shit. That was a bit of a drop off. Gotta back it down, man. We're going balls out. We haven't been on the freaking trails for a while. You gotta take it easy. You gotta take it easy, man. Look at all this back here. What the? Woo! Dude, it's so dirt is so cherry back here. Might be a little slick right here, snotty. But hey. Woo! Yeah! So we just got these the new A1 Fox Instincts, red and black. Check them out. Ooh, saucy, dude. They're good for about 10 horsepower. You know what I mean? Yee! Yeah, so 1K giveaway, guys. We're almost there. 900, time I checked, 901 subscribers. We're out here ripping today, solo. Solo Mitch. Ooh, there's a hole right there. Solo mission. You know what I mean? I think that's kind of when we do some of the best work, is when we're out here solo riding. You know? You guys let me know what kind of, how, you know, You guys like long videos or short videos? No problem, brother. We'll cut off right here. That's the first time I've been head on with some guy going up that trail. See if this ball tire can hook right here. Yeah! That's what it's all about. Hooking and booking. Ah, man, it's been a few weeks. Honestly, I think it's been like 3, dude. 3 weeks since we've been twisting and grip. It's too long, man. Everybody is getting sick from the flu. You know? I've been out, took time off work, went to the doctors, got an excuse, you know, the whole shebang. Just hell, like weak, no strength. You know? But I just said, screw it, dude. Gotta come out. Tired of being stuck in the bed, you know, just chilling in the bed. It's like, how much can you rest? One day you're feeling good, next day I was feeling like crap. Just off and on all day, like, dude, it just needs to stop. I'm just tired of it. So, like I said before, I woke up today, was feeling pretty damn decent. Wife had work off today, so I said, let's roll. Let's get out there, twist some grip. Alright guys, so this is going to do it for this vid. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, dude. We got to get subscribers, hit up to that 1K mark, free giveaway. Well, that's what giveaway means, right? Free, but anyways, yeah. Let's do it. Share this video, hit that like button, subscribe. We out. Peace.